Hello everyone, I'm Samir Signal and today I'm going to show you my project which I built last week, but that was hallucinating. But I fixed that, and the best part of this project, if it is not knowing the thing, it will tell you the information is not found in the document. So let's try. I have uploaded assignment of one of my friend, and that was about a Tata Steel company, and based on that. I have totally used online tools like APIs and for the ChromaDB for the online storing the vector database. And here it is stored here. And also I'm storing the metadata of that document. So everything is online. I'm not using the offline system and resources. So it is eligible to upload all the things on the render in free tab. So let's ask with the chatbot. Like if I will ask when who established the data steel. So if I will ask the question, it will just search all the chunks that is stored in my Chroma database, and it will just find out the specific chunk where the information is available. And it is telling me that Tata Steel was established by Jamshedji, and all the information is here. And it is also telling you the resources. This sources is not from the web; it is from the chunk which is stored in this vector database. So here it is telling that the chunk one and the chunk two from it has taken the reference, and it is also giving me the token history total prompt token and all the stuff that is passed to the LLM. For the here I have used the Gemini API. We can also use the local LLM also. So if I will ask any information that is don't know, last model was hallucinating. If I will ask who is Samir Srinath, and it is inbound. Like if you ask with the Gemini, it will tell you. But if you ask with the local LLM, it will hallucinate. But it is telling that the document does not contain this information. How I fix that? If you just look at the source code here, where I am just giving the system prompt. And here I have just written if answer not found, replied document does not contain this information. So that's why this is able to answer this kind of thing. And if it is giving the answer, it is also telling me that on which source you are just giving me that information. So here I have used the architecture whenever I am just querying anything, it is going to this vector database. And here it is finding all the information and the most relevant vector, and then using a ranker kind of thing here, re-ranker which I made, which is also using online using API go here, and using that API I'm just passing that to that re-ranker, and then just putting the three most important chunk, and then passing that to the LLM. This will help in totally reducing the whatever the token that we are passing to the LLM. If I am just passing all the important 10 out of 10 chunks to the LLM, that will definitely increase the token size and the token cost if it is paid. So this will help you to just decrease the costing, and it will be like more accurate. So here, and the token is also balanced here. If I am just giving the system prompt here, like in chat.py, if I am giving this much long system prompt, by using the read anchor, we are also decreasing the token, whatever the token size that we are giving. So this is how we can just stop our model from hallucination. And there might be other things also that I am learning. So hope you like the video.